sprinkler straight into the audience, which I'm sure they needed to cool down. How do you feel about that? That'll settle the dust.
Here in Canberra, in Australia, it's a mechanical issue. So your car's still going beautifully there, Brad, and obviously John's calling you.
They're leading the ARC and with the field having a few issues.
Comfortable for officials and spectators and he's just in South Africa.
Yes, it is. Scrambling around there, getting on board, and of course there were bars. They've got some commitment over the jump.
It's like a mission. Also, the captain is going to jump over that in and over. That's right.
It's the first part about it going and it just kind of around there. As you see, he comes up the top here, on the tarmac, onto the gravel. He's got enough commitment, turns it in. Have an issue. If you don't get back to service, this refined run here. Let's have a look at the WRC's tactics.